Next is question number 7, part A. Oranges cost 21 cents each. Alex buys X oranges and Bobby buys X plus 2 oranges. The total cost of these oranges is $4.20. Find the value of X. Alex buys X oranges, so 21 times X, plus Bobby buys X plus 2 oranges, so 21 times X plus 2, and the total cost of these oranges is $4.20. So converting into cents, multiplied with 100. 21x plus 21x plus 42 equals 4.20 times 100 is 420. This will be 42x equals 420 minus 42. 420 minus 42 is 378. X equals 378 over 42 is 9. So value of X is 9. Part B. The cost of one ruler is R cent. The cost of one protractor is P cents. The total cost of 5 rulers and one protractor is 245 cents. The total cost of 2 rulers and 3 protractors is 215 cents. Write down two equations in terms of R and P and solve these equations to find the cost of one protractor. 5 ruler and one protractor costs 245 cents, and then 2 ruler and 3 protractors cost 215 cents. Okay, let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 with 3 and then subtracting 2 from it. This will be 15R plus 3P equals 245 times 3 is 735. And 2R plus 3P equals 215. We have to subtract it, so changing their signs. This will be 13R, this will be 0 equals 735 minus 215 is 520. R equals 520 over 13 is 40. Now using R equals 40 in equation 1, this will be 5 into 40 plus P equals 245. So P equals 245 minus 5 into 40. 245 minus 5 times 40 is 45. Cost of one protractor is 45 cents. It's part C. Carol walks 12 kilometers at x kilometer per hour and then a further 6 kilometers at x minus 1 kilometers per hour. The total time taken is 5 hours. Part first is write an equation in terms of x and show that it simplifies to 5x square minus 23x plus 12 equals 0. "12 kilometers at x kilometers per hour." So 12 over x plus 6 kilometers at x minus 1 kilometers per hour. So 6 over x minus 1 equals total time taken is 5 hours. Taking its LCM, x into x minus 1. This will be 12x minus 12 plus 6x equals 5. This will be 18x minus 12 equals 5 into x square minus x. Now 18x minus 12 equals 5x square minus 5x. 5x square minus 5x minus 18x plus 12 equals 0. So 5x square minus 23x plus 12 equals 0. Hence proved. Now part 2. Factorize 5x square minus 23x plus 12. This will be 5x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 12. Taking 5x as common, so x minus 4, taking minus 3 as common, x minus 4 equals 5x minus 3 into x minus 4. And third part is solve the equation 5x square minus 23x plus 12 equals 0. From part 2, 5x minus 3 into x minus 4 equals 0. From this, x equals 3 over 5 or x equals 4. 3 over 5 are 4. Part 4. Write down Carol's walking speed during the final 6 kilometers. When he walks 6 kilometers, then its speed is x minus 1 kilometers per hour. X minus 1. So this will be 4 minus 1 equals 3. His speed will be 3 kilometers per hour.